Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change theme of Twitch application or change it into dark mode. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Twitch application, and after opening the Twitch application you will get to see your profile picture icon at the top left corner. Tap into that option, and after that you will get account setting. Just simply tap into account settings and go to settings. Now you have to tap into preference section, and then after going into preference you will get the option of app theme. Now you have to tap into this drop down below the app theme section, which is set into system default in mine. And in order to change the theme, you can choose three options. The first one is light, second one is dark, and third one is system default. Now in order to change, just simply select and it will automatically be changed. This way you can easily change your theme for Twitch application to light, dark and system default. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.